You know, one of my subscribers, U.S. Navy SEAL, retired, sent me these two figurines. The man on the right, obviously a Navy SEAL. The man on the left, that is a Marine Super Recon. Navy and Marines always make fun of each other, and we jive and joke, but you know what? We get along. I thank you, all military folks. You know, here's the story behind the Zippo lighter. Bryan sent me this lighter and the two amazingly detailed military men. He told me that after he had been wounded with 7 gunshots and multiple stab wounds in an Iraq operation, he and a Marine sergeant he was with and others wounded were medevaced out. Well, the Marine was dying and gave the lighter to Bryan and told him if he ever met a Marine that deserved it, to give it to him. I am absolutely quite touched that Bryan sent it to me. Thanks very kindly, and for your tremendous sacrifice to keep our country safe. You're a good man, Bryan, among men. And, of course, my hat is off to the fallen Marine. Live long and prosper, Bryan, and Semper Fi.